Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make professional poster in just 5 minutes. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and click on Chrome and write canva.com, and then if you have an account on Canva, this site will appear. If you don't have a Canva account, first of all, make sure you have a Gmail account, and then you make a Canva account. It's just simple sign in your Gmail account into canva.com. It will be automatically made your account on your Gmail. So here we have a Canva account, a personal pro account. Click on create a design and click on search bar and write post poster. We gonna make poster for in just 5 minutes. So first of all, click on poster, and then a new tab will open. So we're gonna search on Google Chrome what is the sizes of the poster. So click poster size. The standard poster size will be 11 by 17, 18 by 24, or 24 by 36 pixels, and 24 by the what are the standard poster sizes. The most common poster size you will see are 11 by 17 pixel, 18 by 24 pixel, 24 by 36 pixel, and 27 by 14 pixel. If the sizes above does not quite fit your needs, size is 12 by 18 pixels, 16 by 20 pixel, and 17 by 22 pixels are also available for the print through Printing Center USA. So it will be the standard sizes of the poster. So if you have requirement of 27 by 40, what will be your requirement is upon the poster sizes. So related question, so is the poster size A3 or A4 will be this is. So A1 size is that, and A2 sizes is this, and in the inches in millimeters, and A4 A5. So we're gonna go to the Canva account. The Canva will be open the sizes of 48 to 36. Okay, so if you first of all, what is your niche of making a poster? So our niche is for teaching graphic designing. So teaching poster, we gonna write digital, because graphic designing is digital. The digital marketing will appear. So we gonna click on this one. Okay, digital marketing strategy, digital marketing. So we're gonna change into graphic designing, digital graphic designing, graphics. We're gonna write into graphic and SIGNING and delete the Y. Digital graphic designing. We're gonna change the color of the background. So we're gonna change into dark blue color. So select the dark blue color. We're gonna selecting the blue color here and make it into dark blue like this. So we're gonna change the image into graphic designing. So go to the Google site and write graphic designing, graphic design, and hit enter and go to the images. And now will you have this. So we're gonna download this image, save this image, save this image. It will be downloading back to the site and upload this image to the uploading site and upload files. So click select this image and hit enter. Now the image is uploading. Now we want to select this image and delete this image, or right click and click we're gonna simply drag it. First of all, we undo this image and increase the size of this image like this, and then we drag it to here. Now we're gonna change the orange color into dark orange color. So click on the colors and drag it down like this. This will be fresher color. So what is the fresh color is in between. So between color is the fresh. So we're gonna change the Texas color into between color, and we're gonna change the mid color also in this color. We're gonna change the outline color into mid color. Now we're gonna select some lines to the copy that and back to this, and we're gonna delete some text, and now paste it here and delete the first one also and drag it like this and change the color into dark blue color. Here is the dark blue color. We're gonna change into white. Drag it down little bit, and now we're gonna see the paragraph. How this is how you can make a poster from scratch to this. So now we're gonna make one more poster like this. So click on this, and there is the marketing strategy poster. Apply style only. So delete this one, add another page. We're gonna change this one into our first one colors. So we're gonna change the first color, put the person into above page. Now we're gonna change the colors. So we're gonna change the color into dark blue, and this blue will be this blue, and the gray color into this. We can also change this gray color. Into okay. Now we just simply copy this and delete this all. simply put it out to the outside of the page and it will automatically delete it. Okay, now paste it here. Now we're gonna do that, we're gonna change the color into dark blue and put it right here like this. Now we're gonna drag the person again to this side and put it here. Now we're gonna select we're gonna copy this and paste it. Copy this one also and paste it here. And increase the size like this. Also increase the size of graphic like this and drag like here. Now change the color into dark blue and this is also into dark blue. So this is our how we can make the theme of our sentence. We're gonna change it back color into orange. So this is the today's video. Hope you like this video. Make sure like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.